The first thing you're gonna notice is that the RaspiNote has several components. First is the cable that connects to an external battery. This battery is used whenever you're using RaspiNote outside. This is the micro USB connector. It will go right in that slot. This is the micro SD card, the switch on in configuration on online mode, and the Wi-Fi USB Wi-Fi connector. So you're gonna connect your RaspiNote to the micro USB slot. You're gonna switch to configuration mode, which is marked by the red area, and you can start up your battery. You will notice that the RaspiNote has started. Now you're gonna wait for one beep. That's the first one. And then there's gonna be a two beeps. Basically, there is telling us that it's ready for configuration mode. So in your computer, you're gonna look for a RaspiNote network. In that RaspiNote network, then you're gonna go to raspinode.local, and it's gonna bring you to the configuration screen. In the configuration screens, all basically you're gonna do is to set up all your network configuration. Be aware that network name is case sensitive, and we'll recommend that you set up DHCP for your configuration. At this point there is no support for proxy. Once you're finished, set up your host name, and that is done. So when you switch back to online mode, it's gonna give one beep, and then it's gonna give another two beeps, and that's gonna tell us that it is ready in online mode and is connected to Evernote internet. You're gonna see the green LED turned on. So once you have set up your network, you can go back to RaspiNote.local. In this case, this is the host name that you set up during configuration, and you can connect to your Evernote account. So then you're gonna connect through this application. You're gonna go into accounts and actually go into your Evernote, and you can notice that the actual application is already authorized, and that's how you could revoke your access to RaspiNote at any point in time. So we refresh and notice that our account is already validated. So let's start using some of the RaspiNote services. So the first one we're gonna use is the files. So it's creating a network file share, and by just creating this notebook, you're gonna go into your Finder, look for network resources, and see that there is a RaspiNote with the username as a shared network folder in which you can just drag and drop any sort of files. So let's go to desktop, select these three files, drag and drop them, and then when we go back to Evernote, to our files. We have our files. Let's set up the second service, which is called AirPrint. And with AirPrint, you can basically enable a network printer. So in this case, I'm gonna show you how to use it from an iOS device. So let's access Wikipedia. I like this article, so we can just go print, and basically on the select printer, iOS will detect automatically the network printer. We go back to Evernote. There is our file, and it's converted to PDF. Also, we can use the network printer directly from our Mac OS. So in this case, you need to add a printer, but look that there is a nearby printer already identified. So we'll just add it to our system. Once it is added, we can just select any file as we regularly do. And in this case, let's open it up with preview. Drag and drop the window here. Let's just print it. See that the printer is already selected. Okay. And the last service, so actually let's go and check out on our Evernote account. Okay, that's our image right there. So now let's add our last one of the services, which is called mobile, which will enable our web app folder in our network. So you can just, in this case, I'm accessing an iPad, and through Notes, I already have a web app support in which I'm saving a file. All of the same functionalities are available offline. So get more information in our setup guide, which is available on our website. But then you can see that also all of our files are there. Thank you.